Okay, so vendor sent me video. I watch it 2 or 3 times, and now I'm trying. I have the my own tools, and vendor sent me this loop. It seems like this loop is required to align this. I used it before. I'm going to show you that I'm repairing this one more time, and this is going to be my last time. Today is August 18. Okay, the error can persist, saying makeup low, even though the makeup is full. So the vendor wants me to repair this. I said the thread is broken. The thread is damaged when it arrived. There is no way to tighten this, but yet the vendor insists that I must tighten. We'll show how that is impossible. Insist that this is a debug. Debug doesn't mean that buyer has to repair. Debug means we have to reset the software, not repairing something that we cannot repair. Yeah? Okay, see, it doesn't turn. See, it keep turning. You see, Kevin, it is keep turning. I hope you see it now. See how makeup is okay now, but later in few minutes it will go back to low because the thread is damaged. You understand the word damage? Right here, let me change this into a new one. Start. Oh wait, you want me to set up. The password is 18/8/2019. Okay, maybe it's the other way around. 2019 08/18. Okay, so you want to go here. You wanna, I think, you wanna circulation pump. See, I just clean it from this angle, show how clean it is. Yeah. And I did use the loop to align this, right? This comes with the machine. All the tools I use. And it was aligned earlier, but now you see after a few minutes it's leaking again. You see it's leaking? My finger here, show. Again, Kevin, I use the loop, I use the tools, everything aligned. We waited 10-15 minutes, it will change again and start leaking. Point here. Makeup is okay, ink is on, everything is on. Okay, on. And today is August 18. Okay, let me adjust one more time. Go from this side. $304.47. Okay, let's keep watching. Hold it. The makeup is low again. You got it? It's less than 2 minutes. And it's leaking again. Now you know how your machine is damaged on arrival, or at least the machine design is bad. This is the last repair I'm going to do. So please don't send me any more debugging or whatever you call it. Okay? This is beyond what I can do right now.